Mr. Smarty, I have a big question.
I'm listening, Nina.
What's inside the Earth? I mean, under our feet?
Kids, let's begin our mission explorer. Nina, take a look at the Earth. Do you think it's a perfect round ball?
It looks like a ball, but something feels a bit off.
Good thinking, Nina. The Earth is actually slightly flattened at the poles and a bit wider around the middle.
So it's not a perfect sphere?
Exactly. The Earth is not a perfect sphere. It has the shape of an ellipse, a slightly stretched circle.
Mr. Smarty, are we standing on top of the Earth?
Yes, Nina, we live on the Earth's crust. It's the hard, rocky layer we walk on, and it also lies under the deepest oceans.
So even under the ocean, it's still ground?
Exactly, Nina.
Mr. Smarty, could you tell us what is under the crust?
Nina, under the crust is the mantle. It is a very thick layer of rock. It's so hot that some of the rock melts.
Melted rock, like lava?
Yes, Nina, that's where magma comes from.
And what is deeper?
At the center is the core of the Earth. It's extremely hot and made mostly of metals, iron and nickel.
Metal? Like inside a robot?
In a way, yes. The core has two parts. The outer core, liquid. The inner core, solid and very hard.
Mr. Smarty, can we go there someday?
Not yet. The core is still very hard to study, but it is extremely important because it helps protect life on Earth.
Who discovers all of this?
A geologist. A geologist studies the Earth and learns about its history by exploring its layers.
So, like a planet detective?
Exactly, Nina. And now, it's time for a question. Kids, what shape is the Earth? A circle. B, an ellipse.
Not a perfect ball. The answer is B, an ellipse.
What is the Earth's core made of? A, water. B, metal.
That one is easy. B, metal. It's made mostly of iron and nickel.
Well done, Nina. What covers most of the Earth's surface? A, land. B, water.
Water. That's why Earth looks blue from space.
Exactly right.
Kids, mission completed.
But there's always more to discover. See you in the next Mission Explorer. Bye-bye.